Assalamualaikum, my name is Marina binti Kadir, nomenclature A21A3290. Today, we will discuss about the management principle implemented at Loop Holdings in Denver Heights. The first thing that we are going to discuss is what is management. Management coordination and management of tasks in order to reach an objective. Administrative duties include developing the organization strategies and arranging staff effort to attain this goal via the use of existing resources. Management refers to the seniority hierarchy of personnel inside a corporation, essential for living an orderly life and running all forms of management. Good management is the foundation of any successful firm. Management one life requires doing things to accomplish one objective, where managing and organizing entails doing things with and through other people to achieve goals. First thing that we are going to discuss is function of management. There are four management functions, that is planning, organization, leading, and controlling. The first one is planning. During the planning stage, managers identify organizational goals and design a strategy to achieve them. Managers may consider a variety of ideas for accomplishing the objective before deciding on the best course of action. Planning ensures that workers are able to focus on the most vital responsibilities. Next is organization. The purpose of organizing is to divide resources and allocate responsibilities so that goals can be met. Managers may need to work with other departments inside the company, such as finance and human resources, to coordinate the budgets and workplace. Loop Holding training program is based on the company business model, which supports in the growth of budding entrepreneurs. A Loop Holding branch used to take 20 days to train a single employee with no prior knowledge of the food and beverage business. Today, with our different technology connection and our kitchen display system, we can cut a 28-day training program to a 7-day. Brian Lu explained. With a 7-day training program, there is less concern about training dropout because the amount of time invested in the training is modest as compared to the previous 28-day training program. Next one is leading. Every business has employees, and it is the manager's responsibility to direct and organize their activities. Leadership focuses on managing people such as individuals, teams, and organizations rather than tasks. Manager lead through encouraging employer, regulating other action, choosing the most effective communication channels, and resolving member conflict. We want to ensure that senior employees may continue to grow their careers inside the company, while also providing opportunities for new employees to lead it. He feels that keeping a positive attitude in the face of such issues is crucial to overcoming them. Brian Lowe actively and devoutly guides the members of his organizational team and is concerned about the well-being of his employees. For example, in one of the Brian Lowe interviews, he always praises his employees to have done their job well. The next is controlling. Managers have three main responsibilities: managing, controlling, and assessing, the last of which involving monitoring, comparing, and altering job performance. Manager can conduct performance evaluation and offer feedback to employees, such as praise on what they are doing well and suggestions for improvement. They may also provide compensation increase to high-performing employees or increase their own salaries. Brian Lu keep an eye on the budget and resources to ensure that they are being used effectively and and that they are not going over budget. Furthermore, the portfolio of business model that the lab holding training framework Sigma's process these four criteria. Product that move quickly, fully automated procedures, highly scalable, allowing for the opening of additional outlet in a shorter period of time. A tiny format in which cooks are not necessary and business are not limited by renting space limitation. Brian used their selected business strategy to develop Blue Holding training program. The next is we are going to discuss about the top manager at Blue Holding Sdn Bhd. The picture show is Brian Lu. Brian Lu received his bachelor degree in biochemistry from Monash University in Melbourne, Australia. After college, he worked as a salesperson for a biotech business for 2 years before becoming a custom master franchise Malaysia. He worked as a manager at Lu Holding Sdn Bhd. He now has 325 locations in 7 countries, including the United Kingdom, Australia, China, and Vietnam. With a love for coaching aspiring business leaders, he has grown his food and beverage empire from a small startup to a full-fledged organization. Through honesty, cooperation, entrepreneurship, and innovation, CEO Brian Low has created a modern tea culture. Next, we are going to discuss about trend role top manager. The first category is interpersonal. In entrepreneurs, there is figurehead, leader, and liaison. Firstly, figurehead. Figurehead obligation to accomplish activities that are social, symbolic, or legal in nature. In these cases, you are acting as a representation of the organization rather than making choice. You also want to motivate your team to fulfill goals and duties as a figurehead. Next is leader. Leader responsibility as manager to monitor your employee performance. Overall, you want to manage the team and each member task to ensure that you must meet your goals. Providing direction, training, and encourage workers are doing assessment are just a few of the responsibilities you will have in this position. The third one is liaison. You will build and manage internal and external relationship in the liaison function. As a liaison, you can interact with stakeholders and workers to ensure projects stay on track and provide expertise or information to individuals beyond your organization chains of command. You may be able to attract members of your external network within your firm to assist in the more efficient achievement of organizational goals. The fourth, the fourth is why management is important to CEO Brian Lu. A corporation that does not invest in development will be unable to compete in the long run. Process innovation is a great example of this since it adds something new, but also provides other benefits such as decreased expenses and improved morale. Because companies regularly work with other organizations, determining the consequences of innovation on society as well may be challenging. For example, Tili has launched the True Love Eco Cup, which features an interior compartment that stores topping on top of your drink. This allows the topping to flow seamlessly from cup to mouth with each sip, eliminating the need for straw. Then, there's the iced tea bag, which is long-lasting, reasonable, and judges. The Levi's Eco Tea Bag is intended to hold for tea beverage for easy takeaway. Tea lovers may not only carry it in elegance, but they can also have minimized single-use plastic bags thanks to its vivid design. Finally, there is the Tea Life X Eco Glass, a tumbler designed for your enjoyment in the environment. The Eco Glass tumbler is created in conjunction with one cup. In a plastic-free and reusable bottle, it is intended exclusively for tea drinkers. The next one is how technology changed the manager's work today. Managers may now oversee staff in faraway areas because of technology improvement, and the requirement for face-to-face engagement has dismissed substantially. Telecommuting allows a company in a high labor cost location to have its work complete in a lower wage area. For many people, work takes place where their computers are. This eliminates the need for potential employer consider situation a firm near its personnel. Managers are increasingly frequently challenged with issues that have social responsibility dimension. Charity, pricing, employee relations, resource product equality, and operating in impressive government are some of the more apparent aspects. Few firms can afford the negative press of the economic implication of being perceived as socially responsible in today's competitive market. Technology has altered the manager role, as today workers may work at their own speed and from almost any place. That's all from me. Thank you.